Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to talk to you about this beautiful color yarn that I'm using here. This is by Patons Astra, and they have gorgeous yarn and different colors. This one here is a gorgeous bright yellow yarn that I'm using. It's 100% acrylic. This one's very good for washing as well in the washing machine. It is super soft. As you can see, I'm using it for a baby blanket at the moment. So it's brightening up a lot of the colors that I'm using with it. If you can see, you're able to use this for knitting. You can use it for crocheting. That's what I'm doing at the moment. I just love the softness that this brings to the blanket. It's just a very nice soft yarn, and I love the color and brightness that it brings. It gives the blanket a lot of character, and you can use it for any type of craft that you want to with yarn. It has so many multiple uses, and that's what I really love about it. But I was very drawn to this gorgeous color, but that's just my point of view.